Hey guys, I wanted to walk you through setting up a virtual machine on Oracle VM VirtualBox. Today I'll be working on a old MS-DOS deployment. So it's pretty simple. I have downloaded the latest VirtualBox from Oracle. I believe it's 6.1, I believe. The good thing is we can go ahead and select anywhere we want to save this virtual machine, the virtual hard drives, everything. It's just basically a file system. It's going to go fairly quick because it's MS-DOS. We won't have to create a huge VM, as far as resource-wise, just simply because it's MS-DOS. So we really don't need a lot to mess with, just to show this out. So on top of deploying, I'll be loading MS-DOS, and then we'll boot it the first initial time, and that'll be it. So first things first. So I already have the VirtualBox Manager loaded up. We're going to click this little new icon. We're going to tell it MS-DOS to give it a name. It'll actually create a folder just like that. You can, like I said, you can store it anywhere, a hard drive or a thumb drive, doesn't matter. I have mine going to a secondary hard drive. So we'll hit create. It's going to create, let me cancel. So the memory size, you can select pretty much anything. Like I said, it's MS-DOS. I'm going to leave it at the default, which is 32 megs, pretty low. Go ahead and create the virtual disk now. Create. I'm just going to keep this default virtual disk image here. I'm not going to take that 500 megs. We don't need 500 megs. Okay, we'll just do 40. Why not? Do create, and it's created. It's that quick. Now, of course, it's not configured. So the next thing we're going to do is load MS-DOS. So let's go ahead and go into settings of this machine. Go to storage, and you'll see the floppy. I've already have the MS-DOS 6.22 image files, and I know where they're at. So we're actually going to load up the first one. So we go to floppy, empty. We're going to click this little disk icon so we can actually choose a disk file. As you see, I've already done it once, but a request was made for a video, so I'm going to show the video. So I'm going to select my disk 1 image. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and start it. It's going to pull up, and I'll pull it over to the secondary monitor. Everyone can see it. So if you're familiar with MS-DOS, y'all remember this screen. So we're going to install. First thing it's going to want to do is configure your unallocated disk space. Make sure your setup disk is in 1, which we've already done that, or drive A. So we're going to go through C:DOS, that's fine. Pretty quick. Next thing we're going to do is go up here to devices, floppy drives. We're going to select, you can choose here. Mine's already there, so if you choose, you can just navigate to your file that's the disk to. So I've inserted it. So now we're going to press enter again. So now it's asking for disk 3. We'll do the same thing. Now I'll show you what it looks like if I say choose or create. Okay. Press enter. Okay, MS-DOS is installed. Now before it's telling you to remove it, so we want to go to this and remove. So floppy disk, remove disk from virtual drive. This will eject it. Press enter. Tells you it's going to restart your computer. There it is. Now you can shut everything down from your actual Oracle virtual machine here. You can change all your settings, all of that. Close, power off. It's going to power off the MS-DOS machine. When you're ready to start it back up, just highlight the machine, click start. If it shows anything like this, it's fine. This is typically because I had something else mounted before the hand. And it's all back up. It's pretty snappy. So that's pretty much it. Hope y'all enjoy.